Hello friends, welcome back to Sri's tutorial. In today's video, we are going to learn sum product and sum square. So here I will show you how to use the sum product first. So here I have some data with me with different types of items and the quantity and price of it. Now I want the total amount I have spent for all these items. How will you find out that? So to find out that, first we need to find out the total amount of each item, right? And then after that we have to do the total for all these items. So first we will find out this way, then I will show you how to use the sum product. So here I will use the formula is equal to, so this is D3 into E3, and then press enter key, and then we will drag the same formula in all the cells till where we want. So this is the way we have find out the total amount of each item. Now here I want the total amount I have spent for all this items. So I will say total. I will increase the size of it. And here what I have to do, I have to again use the formula is equal to sum, and then I will use this range, and I will close the bracket, and I will press enter key. So this is the total amount of the total amount I have spent for this. Now instead of doing this method, we can use sum product. How will you use sum product? Using sum product, how will you do the total for this? So total amount you have spent for these items. So for that I will use is equal to sum product, and then see here it is showing array 1, array 2, array 3. So you can use the multiples arrays. You can use multiple arrays here. So here array 1, I will use array 1 quantity, and then the array 2 is comma, array 2 is price, and then I will close the bracket and press enter key. So is it same value? So instead of checking all this, instead of doing all these methods directly, you can find out the sum of the sum product. Using sum product, you can find out the total amount you have spent for these items. Dear friends, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel, like and share it. Thank you.